Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to download and use a screen recorder for Windows and activate it also. So this is the setup where I will provide a link to this application. Just run a search instruction and OK. It will install. Select next and accept the terms and license agreement. Next, install, select finish. Now we can select impact media. This is the options. As you can see, now you can see how to activate the license. So to activate it, go to settings. To activate it, settings, about settings. As you can see the license activation. So I'll share you the key in the description of the video. And I have stuff and yeah, and just and do dot for RG. The key is clear 370 MSD 8 SE9 FGD. The license is activated and we can use all the premium features.